What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have this talking watch, sport watch. Let's go through the features. 4-digit LCD display hour and minutes, chime hourly and daily alarm, 5 kind of rings, 2 groups chimes hourly, EL backlight, talking time in English language. Okay, let's check this out. The brand is SKMEI, SKMEI, SKMEI. I believe that's how you say it. Okay, let's go through this watch. Check that out. Check the sides. We have 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on the sides, 2 in the other one. 1 is for the light. You have the mode button. You have the set hour, and you have right here the set minute. Sport watch, green light, alarm chrono, water 50 meters resist, 1 to 100 seconds chronograph, I believe is what it is. We have right here on the sides some kind of Philip bolts if you want to get a new band, a new watch band. It's very nice looking, very good quality. It's very strong silicone plastic. So you can see the LCD. Let's go through the rings. It has 5 kind of rings. Okay, let's listen to them. Okay, I'm gonna put my microphone close to the watch so we can hear all the rings. Okay, there you go. That's 1. That's the second one. Third one. The 4th. And the 5th. The sound is pretty good. It's pretty strong. Okay, let's go and push the button right here on the bottom, right in the center. That's supposed to tell you the time, the talking time, talking watch.
1:54 p.m. 1:54 p.m.
It sounds pretty good.
1:54 p.m. 1:54 p.m.
There you go, guys. Let's see. Let's try it right here. Let me just remove this thing right here, this tag. Okay, let's see. How are we gonna do this? It's a pretty good looking watch. I'm gonna try it on to see how it looks on my arm. And we're gonna try one more time the talking time. It feels good. It's very good quality. I like this watch. Check that out. Feels pretty good. Good quality. Let's check the size compared to this quarter so you guys can see how big is this watch. It's pretty thick, so you can see. The band is same width of the quarter. Okay, let's try one more time the talking time.
1:56 p.m. 1:56 p.m.
There you go, guys. The talking watch.
1:56 p.m.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel, please. I'll talk to you later, guys.